Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best immersion blender that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Muller Austria Multi-Purpose Immersion Blender. Muller USA together with Muller Austria bring to you a superior product that delivers real support in your kitchen and also makes your life relatively more straightforward. It is the Muller Austria Multi-Purpose Hand Blender, a heavy-duty machine built with a copper motor and finished with stainless steel. The Muller Ultra Stick Blender features a sophisticated design with exceptional quality, as it has 3 times the capabilities of competing brands. It features a stainless steel set of S-shaped blades, fixed into the motor's body for safety. Moving on at number 4, we have the Utalent Immersion Blender. When we first came across the Utalent Immersion Blender, we weren't convinced. It's not made by a well-known kitchen brand and the deal seemed to be too good to be true. But it all adds up. This amazing immersion blender is well made, comes with all of the attachments you see, and is powerful enough for any blending task. The 250-watt motor comes with a choice of 8 speeds and a turbo setting. Even with this power, it's surprisingly quiet. One of the main reasons for buying the Utalent Immersion Blender is the pack of extras it comes with. As well as the blender, you get a mixing wand, milk frother, 500 milliliters food chopper, 600 milliliters beaker, and egg whisk. All of this comes protected under a 2-year warranty. You might not have heard of this brand before, but you certainly won't forget them. At number 3, we have the Braun MQ505 MultiQuick Immersion Blender. Braun has a great reputation for creating high-quality kitchen and bathroom appliances. And we're happy to say, the Braun MQ505 MultiQuick Hand Blender lives up to it. This is one of the best immersion blenders on the market, bringing together a versatile design with durable materials. The attachments are made from stainless steel and the handle from plastic. We'd recommended hand washing the attachments by hand if you want them to last a long time. The motor inside this immersion blender puts out an impressive 350 watts of power. That's enough to cut through thick peanut butter, work with solid vegetables, and whisk milk or eggs in seconds. It comes with a 20-ounce beaker and a whisk attachment for added versatility. At number 2, we have the Bonsenkitchen Immersion Hand Blender. The Bonsenkitchen Immersion Hand Blender is an affordable and feature-laden option. With its 225W motor, 9 speed options, and turbo function, it stacks up pretty well against the competition on this list. The main difference is that it doesn't come from one of the big kitchen appliance brands on the market. Having said that, Bonsenkitchen does make some excellent products and this immersion blender is worth checking out. It comes with 4 extras, designed to add versatility. These extras include a smart stick, solid whisk, 500 milliliters chopper bowl, and 24 ounces measuring mug. With these tools, you are equipped for any blending job, from making a smoothie to pureeing thick vegetables. And finally at number 1, we have the Cuisinart CSB175BK QVC Smart Stick Immersion Blender. Cuisinart is one of the big names in the kitchen appliance game. Almost every product they release is worth checking out, and the Cuisinart CSB175BK QVC Smart Stick Hand Blender is no exception. Designed for simplicity and durability, this might not be the most versatile product on this list, but it will last you a lifetime. It has a 300-watt motor to provide plenty of power and a 2-speed control. Our only complaint is that the buttons are awkwardly placed, but it's not a huge issue. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft is well designed and blends smoothies and soups in seconds. However, it doesn't come with any attachments, so it doesn't double up as an egg whisker like most of the products on this list. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.